my dear friends, welcome to SDTechWalk. In this video, we are going to discuss about range in Python. The topics covered in this video are what is range data type, what is range method, displaying range objects and concatenating range objects. Let's move on to the video now. What is a range data type? Range data type is an immutable sequence of numbers generated using range method in Python. That is my range data type. Okay, now what is range method? A method or function is a set of instructions which will perform a particular task. Like that, range method will generate a sequence of numbers and returns a range object. And range method takes three parameters. One is start, from where the sequence has to start, and the next value is stop, so till where it has to stop, and the step size will tell the increment value, increment or decrement. So this is my range method. Now with an example, let me try to create a range object. So A is equal to, using range method, specifying the start value and the stop value and the step size. I have created now A as a range object. Let me check what is the type of A. Yes, it's of class range. That means I have created a range object successfully. And let me print A and see what I am getting. Print A will give you the range, means what is the value of A? Range of 1 to 11 with the step size 2. Okay, now I know how to create a range object. And now the next thing we need to know how to display the range objects. So let us see now displaying range objects. Okay. So using list I can able to display, or using for loop we can able to display. First let me show how to display using the list data type. So print the A range object is converted to list. I am just printing that. Yes, we are able to print. So these are the values generated using this range method: 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Now using for loop too we can print for I in A, print I. For loop till now we have not discussed, but as of now we need to know only this much. For every value what is present in A, we are printing the I value. So now let me print and see, execute and see. Yes, we are able to print the value. So this is how we can print. Now let's see if we don't specify the step value. What is the default step value? By 1. The step value by default will be 1. So using 1 it is able to generate. And now if I don't specify the start value, by default it will take it as 0. So from 0 it has started. And if I specify the step value as 0, whether it is possible? No, it's not possible. It must not be 0. It must not be 0. So I can't give 0 as my step value. Either 2 I can give or any values we can give. Now let me try to generate a negative sequence. From 10 to minus 11 I want to create with the step size minus 2. And let me print and see. Yes, we are able to generate some range with the negative values too. So that is also possible. Let me try with the floating point value from 1.5. I want to go till 11.5. And here with the step size 2.5. Whether floating point values are accepted? No, it is not accepted. So it tells that float object cannot be interpreted as an integer. So that is not possible to generate with the floating point value. Now, so let me leave this with 10 and means from 0 to 9 with the step size 1. I want to access a particular element, whether it is possible, we'll see. B is equal to, I create a range starting from 1 to 11, or we create from 11 to 20. With a step value 2. And I want to access the first element from this using index 0. I'll print what is the value of B. Yes, we have got now 11. Let me remove this for loop so that it will be easy for us to compare. So A is 0 to 9 and only one value we have printed, that is 0. So how to access only one element I have shown. Now how to access, how to display we have seen. Now the next thing what we are going to see is how to concatenate range objects. So concatenating range objects. The results from two range function can be concatenated by using the chain method of itertools module. So what is the meaning of that? I have a method called chain method which is present in itertool modules. So that I have to import, then I can use the chain method. So from itertools module, I need to import chain method. So I have imported now. Now this has to be used. So I have now first A and the next one B also we have. So let me print this also using B, using list. Yeah, we have now two values. One is A and the other one is B. So this type also we don't want now. Only the values of A and B is enough. Now I take a result. This is also a range object and using chain method which is present in itertools module, just I want to concatenate A and B. So now let me print using the list only. Just I am converting the range object to list and I am printing it. Yes, we can able to print it. So the first one is A and the second one is B and the third one, whatever the range we have got, is the concatenation of A and B. So till 9 we have, and it started from 11, 13, 15 till 19 it has been printed. So this is how we can concatenate it. And that's about our range data type in Python. And what are the things we have covered here is what is range data type, what is range method, and how to display range objects, and about the concatenation of range objects. All those things we have discussed. Hope you like the video. If you have understood and you have liked the video, then please give me a like and do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. For further updates, please hit the bell button. If any doubts are there, please specify in the comment section. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.